Hello, and welcome to a guide designed to transform not just your morning, but your connection as a couple. In the rush of modern life, it's easy for partners to start the day on separate tracks, lost in their own thoughts and to-do lists. But what if the first few moments of your day could become a shared ritual of strength, peace, and love? This script will guide you through a simple yet profound morning routine rooted in Stoic wisdom, designed specifically to fortify your bond against any challenge. Let's begin this journey to a more connected and resilient relationship together. Often, a couple's morning begins in different directions. One partner is lost in their phone screen, while the other is already burdened by the stresses of the day. This small act of starting apart creates an unseen distance in the very first moments of the day, which can become the foundation for arguments and misunderstandings later on. But what if you both could begin your day together with tranquility, purpose, and mutual understanding? This is where Stoic wisdom can act as a powerful shield for your relationship. Your Stoic morning routine begins the moment you wake up. As you open your eyes together, let your first shared thought be the fundamental Stoic principle. Some things are within our control, and some are not. The way you speak to your partner, your patience, and your love are within your control. However, your partner's mood, their stress from work, or their daily challenges are not. When you both internalize this principle, you stop playing the blame game and start supporting each other. Next, practice Premeditatio Malorum, or the premeditation of challenges together. This isn't about being pessimistic. It's about being mentally prepared. Take a minute to think about what challenges might arise in your relationship today. A disagreement over finances, a difference in parenting styles, or a complaint about not spending enough time together. When you both anticipate these potential issues, you are mentally prepared to handle them as a team with calmness and reason, rather than with anger. Immediately after this, shift to shared gratitude. Hold hands and give thanks for the things you have together. This home, your shared health, and most importantly, each other's presence. The Stoics called this Amor Fati, or a love of one's fate. Accepting your relationship as it is, with all its strengths and imperfections, and choosing to love it will deepen your bond in a profound way. Instead of setting individual goals for the day, set a shared intention for your relationship. There's a big difference. A goal focuses on an outcome, whereas an intention focuses on your character. For instance, you both can set an intention like, today we will listen to each other with empathy, not anger. Or, today we will appreciate each other's small efforts. This shifts the focus to how you behave toward each other, freeing your relationship from the fear of not achieving a specific outcome. Memento mori, which means remember you will die, holds a particularly deep meaning for couples. When you both acknowledge that your time together is finite and precious, petty arguments and long-held grudges seem meaningless. This thought compels you to spend your valuable time together in love and connection, not in conflict or silence. It makes you prioritize each other above all else. Dedicate a few minutes to journaling, but make it a couple's journal. You can write in it separately or discuss your thoughts together. Ask yourselves relationship-focused questions. How can I be a better partner today? Or, what is one small step we can take to strengthen our bond? This practice encourages you both to actively think about and work on your relationship. Along with mental exercises, find physical and emotional peace through a few minutes of shared silence. Simply sit near each other without speaking, perhaps with your morning coffee. Feel each other's presence. This practice builds a deep, non-verbal connection that can serve as a calm anchor for you both throughout a hectic day. Incorporate shared learning into your routine. Choose a short paragraph from the works of great Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, or Epictetus. Take turns reading it aloud to each other. Then, spend just 2 minutes discussing how you can apply that piece of wisdom to your relationship. This not only makes you both wiser, but also gives you a shared language to navigate life's challenges. Finally, remember that this routine is not a rigid checklist, but a flexible mindset. The goal isn't to have a perfect morning, but to become a resilient couple, a team that can face life's ups and downs together. When you learn to control your morning by connecting with each other, you will find that your entire day, and indeed your life together, becomes filled with more love, purpose, and tranquility.